Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you wondering how to quote tweet post on Twitter? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quote tweet post on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app. Suppose this is the post I want to quote tweet on. Simply tap on third icon. A pop-up will appear. Tap on quote tweet. Add comment as you like and tap on tweet, that is on the top right corner of your screen. So that is how you quote tweet post on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.